How to make iPhone flash for notifications. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provide equal opportunities for everyone. Now, tap on Audio and Visual. On the next screen, scroll all the way down and tap on the last option, LED Flash for Alerts. Here, tap the main LED Flash for Alert switch to turn the feature on. Once activated, you can also customize its behavior. You don't have to enable Flash while unlocked and Flash in silent mode for this case. With the Flash for Alert setting enabled, the flash on the back of the iPhone will now blink for any notifications. Following these steps, you can easily make the iPhone flash when notifications. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.